is that mysterious ticking noise?
I know she knows the heart is in my friend. You know, wouldn't be bad idea to trust her.
Kind of catchy.
She knows there's a marsh friend.
Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape, Dumbledore, Snape, Severus Snape, Dumbledore, Snape, Severus Snape, Dumbledore, Snape, Severus Snape, Dumbledore, Snape, Severus Snape, Snape, Shiny, Severus Snape, Snape, Shiny, Severus Snape, Dumbledore, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Severus Snape, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Severus Snape, Harry 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 Dumbledore, Hermione, Snape, Harry Snape, I'm Harry Snape, I'm Harry Snape, Severus Snape, singing our song all day long at Hogwarts. I found the source of the ticking. It's a pipe bomb. Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldemort.
La 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 la.